So, hello, sir or ma'am. So, you have told us to make basically a college management portal. So, I have made this. So, I will show you. So, basically, this is the main piece. When you click on Get Started button, so there you have four options. Either you can register as an admin, register as a college, register as a student, or faculty. So, there I have provided you four options. So, I will start with uh, this particular college, SRM Institute of Technology. It is not registered till now, so I will provide here a mail. So there should be a affiliation code, because through affiliation code the student, college and faculty should be connected with each other. Okay, so I have provided one password as well. So now when I click on register, after that I have to log in. So I will use srm@gmail.com and log in. So basically अब मैंने log in कर लिया. After that what I have to do, there is a college admin dashboard. So this is actually a dummy data which I have faced. So there you have different type of options like manage students. So currently there is no student registered with that particular affiliation code. I will also show that after registration of few students. So here is your placement page. So basically you can provide placement related pages here. After that there is a event and extracurricular thing related page. So I have also made this, so it should look visually appealing. That's why I have add this. And there is two more options: manage faculty, manage courses. So here if you currently go, you can't see any particular student, because through this affiliation code no student is registered. I will register a student. After that I will see show you. Same for faculty as well. So now go to log out button, and after that I will register some students for this particular college. So I will go to student section. Here I will write a name like Rasmika, and I will provide a ID to Rasmika, RASHMIKA, Control A, Control C. After that, I will provide same affiliation code to this particular student. There will be a particular enrollment number, and after that particular enrollment number, there should be you have to provide a login page. So I will provide same email here. After that, I will log in. So when you log in, now this student is actually registered in the database. So when I go to student section, so when I scroll up to down, uh, so basically there should be a student. So if I again log in with same page for college, okay, so go to college section and try to log in with uh, the email which I have registered is srm at the rate gmail.com. I will log in. Then I go to student section. There is a student name. Rasmika is already registered. You can see that particular. You can also edit this particular name. Like if you provide this a new enrollment number, this would also reflect here. You can also delete this user. So this is the same. I will do same for faculty as well. So let's go to faculty section now. uh, from here I will go to register a faculty for this particular college. So let's take a faculty name, Mr. Amit Sinha, and its ID should be amit@gmail.com, and affiliation code for this is particular faculty will be the same 509. Department will be computer science, and the employee ID should be, let's take it 1 2 3 4 5 for new, and I will copy this email, Control A, Control C. I will register. Then I will, what I have to do when I go to college section, and I will provide here srm@gmail.com and log in here. And if I go now to faculty section, you can see that there is also a faculty section where you will get all faculties of your particular college, and you can edit it after same as I have provided for student, and same is for delete faculty. After that, what one more thing I want to show you, I will go to basically login page. and go to faculty section, and I will log in as a amit@gmail.com, the faculty, as you remember I have logged in. Now for faculty there is two sections added, that is actually attendance and assignment. So currently for this particular college no student is registered, as I have deleted the student. So what I have to do, I have to register two or three students. So let's first quickly register two or three students for this college. Go to get started, and go to this section, student. Let's take Amit, sorry, Rasmika. I will provide Rasmika@gmail.com, 509. Enrollment number will be 123456. Okay, copy this email, Control A, Control C, and register. Okay, go back, register one more student. Let's take it some random name, and I will provide here mail. Push. Affiliation code will be same, 509. Enrollment number will be this type of something. Register. Now if I log in with now faculty section, let's take amit@gmail.com. And now if I go to attendance section, you can say here, you can see here two particular section is available. For these two student, teacher can also submit attendance, either this particular section, this particular student is available at that particular date or not. Okay, so this is the section. One more section is here provided, upload assignment. So what he have to do, he have to basically provide assignment of that college, let's say chemistry, and here I will upload, sorry, let's change the subject to any other subject like physics. Okay, so I will choose one assignment from here, like, okay, let's choose this one. Okay, and if I now upload assignment, so assignment is uploaded. If I refresh this particular page, after that you can see in the below section, you can see the assignment which is basically uploaded, and student can see that particular assignment. So if I start download here and now open this, so here I can get the my assignment which is actually uploaded by the teacher. So that's all about this portal, and one more thing I want to say, that there is also a admin dashboard. So go to login, and I have created a admin account also, ramo@gmail.com. So if you log in here, so here is actually main section, home page, and also one more is section is there, that is actually admin dashboard. So it is currently not showing due to some issue, but actually I have created this. So that's all about this portal which I have currently made. One more thing I want to say, that I have some less time due to I have, as I have also a TCS exam. So that's all I have created. I can also add more functionalities and more better UI if I have more time. But yeah, I think I have made sufficient with that's I can do from my side in that particular time slot. So thank you so much if you provide me for next round, and I will be honored to do so. Till now, thank you so much, sir. All the best from for myself. From you, sir. Thank you, sir.